So friends, in the first session, I have told you about the Indira Gandhi National Open University, about the ODL system in general, what exactly does it mean, how it is to be perceived, and also about what are the facilities that are offered in Indira Gandhi National Open University for the ODL learners. Now in this section, I am going to tell you about the admissions. When you first come to IGNOU and take admission in a particular program, you will get your confirmation letter, and this confirmation letter is available on the IGNOU RC website. If you go on our website, you will see that there is a link provided, and that link, if you put in your program code as well as your date of birth, you will get the entire confirmation letter. And on this confirmation letter, you will find that there are very important information given to you. For example, your enrollment number is there, the learner support center where you will have to go and take counseling is given over there, the fee details that you have submitted to us is given, there are guidelines given for commencing the learning process at IGNOU. We also give you the deadline of the dates which are very important on this confirmation letter, and the hard copy of the confirmation letter along with your identity card will reach at your home. Now this confirmation letter as well as the identity card has to be kept till the completion of your program. This is very important. As soon as you get your confirmation letter, you are requested to kindly go to a learner support center or the study center and go and see the counseling schedule. When are your classes scheduled? When you should go for the counseling? Because sometimes when the students go at the study center, there are no classes, and they complain to me that there was no classes today. So you have to be aware of the counseling schedule prepared for your particular program. For all academic purposes, remember that the only point of contact that you have is the coordinator of the learner support center. But if you get any kind of administrative issues, your point of contact is the regional center. Friends, most of the time what happens that the students are not able to re-register in time. For example, for the semester programs and the master's and bachelor's degree program, re-registration is a very important component in order to continue your program with IGNOU. Those re-registration forms are to be submitted at the regional center with the requisite fee within the dates given in your confirmation letter, and by the time before your next semester next year starts. The re-registration form can be downloaded from the IGNOU site. I am giving you the details of the IGNOU site, or even from the regional center site. So this is about the administrative role of the study center as well as the regional center. Now let me take you to what exactly is counseling. Remember that this is the ODL system. It is a little different from the regular system where you go into a classroom and the teacher is there to teach you. The counseling only prepares you to understand the material. The material you must have got. When you read it, there are certain context and concept which you must understand. And in order to understand those concepts, you must go for the counseling session. Now, the counselor also provides you information how to write the assignment. What your counselor is expecting when you are writing an assignment. How tutor is going to provide comments to you. Because when there is a dialogue between the student and the counselor, then you would be able to understand the subject better. Therefore, when you are getting your evaluated assignment back, retain it, and if there are no tutor comments, you must demand tutor comments on your assignment. When you are preparing for your education with IGNOU, one of the most important thing is that first read the program guide. It is very important because all rules of the program is given in the program guide. Understand your responsibility also, because it's a self-learning environment. You have to understand your responsibilities and your rights. Be clear about the deadlines in which you have to operate. For example, when you are submitting an assignment, you have to submit the assignment within the stipulated deadline so that you can fill the examination form. If you have not submitted the assignment, you would not be able to fill the examination form. Similarly, you will have to re-register. And as I told you, SLM or the material is a very important component of ODL system. Material must be collected as soon as it is available and start reading the material. Sometimes what happens that the material is delayed. If it is delayed, go on the eGyanKosh, go on the IGNOU RC Delhi 2 website and take the soft copy of it. And once you start reading the material, you will get some questions. Those questions must be recorded, and when you go for the counseling, try to get those questions clarified to you by the counselor. And make a group of peers who are taking the course at the same time. Peer learning is also one of the important components of ODL system. And research has shown that students learn most from their peers. You must also go to your library, consult the web, join forums, be active within your peers, and help one another in understanding the material you have got. And if you ever find a mistake in the SLM or in the material, you are requested kindly to write to us or the concerned school at the IGNOU headquarters. Now, as I told you, assignment is a very important medium in distance learning through which the learners are continuously evaluated. It's a continuous learning process. The tutors are evaluating your assignments. Assignments are being used as a teaching tool in IGNOU, and it is filling the gap between the learners and the teachers or the academic counselors. Through the assignment, through the evaluation of the assignment, the academic counselor is giving you very important feedback which is important in your learning paradigm. You have to submit this assignment before the due date in your handwriting, not in typewritten form, in your own handwriting, which is evaluated by the academic counselors and who gives marks or grades to the assignment. And then the study center consolidates the marks of each student and sends it to the regional center. And the regional center then uploads the data online into the headquarter database so that your results are available. You have to understand that assignments are the homework for the learners, and it carries a weightage of 25 to 30% in your final grades in the final examination. Assignment question paper is also available on the IGNOU website. It is uploaded over there in the IGNOU website in the link that I have provided to you. And remember that out of more than 84 programs which are already running with IGNOU RC Delhi 2, almost 43 assignments are already uploaded. Others will be uploaded very soon. But now it is your responsibility to go on the IGNOU website and get those assignments, or on our website, get on the assignments, take it out, start reading it, and start preparing your assignments. Learners are also supposed to go through the study material and read the study material so as to make the assignment in their own words. Please remember that copying from the text which is given to you or copying from your peer group is not permitted. Similarly, submission of a photocopy of the assignment is not allowed. If you do that, the evaluator will give you 0 and he would not evaluate your assignment. I am warning you, kindly keep a photocopy of the assignment after you have submitted it to the study center. Unless and until you have a copy of the assignment with you, if anything happens, if your assignment is lost, you would not be able to prove your bona fide. And when the learner submits the assignment at the study center gives him a receipt. That receipt is also to be kept at all times. And the assignment can only be submitted once for one particular course in a particular semester. Please remember that there is no provision for evaluation of the assignment, and therefore you have to attempt only once, and once you have done that, then you will have to fill out the examination form and appear for the term end examination.